Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
I'm doing great. And first of all, sorry because yesterday before I sent you message, I wanted to connect with you 12 o'clock, but I don't know what happened. Suddenly, I got fever and started feeling cold, so I'm not feeling well. So that's why I couldn't connect with you. So I feel little bit feel good right now. So that's why I'm connected with you.
Yes, yes, no problem actually. No, there is no problem. And ma'am, where are you from?
Okay. In sorry.
Where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Delhi.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
from West Bengal.
Okay.
And ma'am,
Uh,
we are meeting very first time. Yeah, before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. Yeah, so that we can ask few questions about ourselves. So first of all, please say something about yourself.
Okay, sir, it's my pleasure. My name is Pooja Prabhakar. I am from Delhi. I have completed my graduation. I am mother of two kids, and simultaneously, I create my YouTube channel to practice my communication skill. And if you talk about my hobbies nowadays, my hobby is only learning English, and I love traveling. But I'm unable to travel long distance because whenever I visit long distance, so I feel headache and I feel vomiting. So whenever my family make plan to go outside, so first I take medicine of vomiting, then I visit. That's all about me.
Yes, yes, it's good to know about
So
yourself.
I'm eager to know something about yourself. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football. Apart from that, I am running my one two channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Wow, sir, very lovely introduction from your side. You are doing many things together. That's great.
And ma'am, first of all, please tell me, and why did you think you have to learn this language? I mean, and why are you learning this language? Is there a specific reason for learning this language?
Yes, sir, because I wanted to improve my communication skill. I want to improve myself. And you know very well, nowadays English is very widely spoken language and everybody wants to learn this language. If we have knowledge of this language, so we can communicate many people all over the India. And when you search anything on Google, so everything is available on English. So I decided to learn this language because I face a lot of problem due to English. So I feel like yes, I need to learn this language. So I started learning English and I have been learning this language for 5 months. I have started November 2024. That's all.
Yes, yeah, you are doing a good job, and you are right also, ma'am. Right now, you know, English is an international language as well as the communication language. To communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is useful language. And ma'am, you are from Delhi. You have a own native language, but I don't know your native language properly. But I belong to West Bengal. That's why Bengali is my mother tongue. But you don't know my mother tongue. Yeah, you don't know properly. But after learning English, we are talking each other. We are connecting each other. That's why
Yes,
English is connecting language. Yes.
yes, you are right. Due to English, we are connecting each other right now. Yes, you are right.
Yes. Yes.
I'm leaving
And
Delhi,
ma'am,
but yes, yes, carry
yes,
on.
Karen. Yes, and ma'am, on the other hand, English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good
Yes.
job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. Nowadays, I noticed that.
Yes, English is very important professional growth and personal growth, and especially homemaker. You know, when we learn this language, we communicate our children, school, teacher, parents meeting very easier, and we gain our confidence. So it's very important.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you have a two children, and are they English? Are they going to English medium school?
Yes, they both are school going student and they study in private school and they are very good at English.
Yes, yes. Yeah, nowadays I notice that in our locality there are so many English medium school, and most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school nowadays. But during my study, there was no English medium school. But nowadays there are so many English medium school here.
Yes, you are right, you are right. Okay, so sir, I
And
live in Delhi. Delhi is very polluted city, and nowadays pollution become a big problem in this world. It's make soil, water, sound, and air dirty, and it's harm people, animals, plant, and the main cause of pollution, vehicle smoke, and a lot of use of plastic and factory wastage, and the pollution cause of many diseases are, you know. Waterborne illness, skin disease, and breathing disease. So I just want to know from your side, how can we reduce pollution to save our environment? What do you think?
yes, according to me, always you have to reduce any other plastic and yeah, in the you are living in city area. That's why there are so many industry over
Yes.
there. That's why also there is and it is so busy area. That's why also it is happen. I belong to village area. I belong to very village area. There is no pollution. Yeah, I always get face here in my locality. But Kolkata is the capital in our state, and in Kolkata there are so many pollution over there. There are
Yes.
so many industry over there. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
and the
Yes.
industry is growing day by day.
Yes, to save our environment, it is very important to reduce pollution, and for this, we should plant more and more and use less polythene and prefer public transport. And the government should make strict rule against those person spared pollution. And I think small we take a small step can be our environment safe again and
Yes,
reduce
yes,
pollution.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. You are right. Always you have to plant so many trees. Yeah, always you have to plant so many
Yes.
trees from our environment, and always you have to reduce using the polythene. I mean.
Yes, yes, you're right. So, sir, tell me something about your journey. Which kind of problem did you face in your initially day when you started your journey?
Yes, yes, definitely. First of all, I am telling you, I have been learning this language around 2 years, but I have been speaking English
Okay.
around 1 year. And before speaking English, I have completed the grammatical rules because during my study, I was very weak English subject, and at that time, I did not know how to make a sentence in English properly because at that time, I was very weak English subject. At that time, I did not make any sentence in English, and that's why before speaking English, I have completed the English grammar. Yeah, and after completing the English grammar, I started my English speaking journey. And I belong to village area, and there is no good English environment. No one speak English in our locality. No one speak English at my house. That's why I had to struggle a lot. Yeah, I had to struggle a lot. But by practicing right now, also I am being able to speak English little bit. In this time also I can write properly. There is no problem in my writing, but I can't speak properly. That's why also I'm practicing right now. And I know properly to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important according to me. But most important is listening and speaking. Listening and speaking is very important because how did you learn your native language? Always you have to think. How did you learn your native language? By listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking is very important. Reading is also important. Reading is also important for learning the language. If you read English newspaper, if you read English story book every single day, you will improve faster because by reading you can learn so many new vocabulary. Yeah, you can learn so many vocabulary. Reading is also important, but I don't like reading. It is boring to me, and I don't get free time for reading. Yeah, that's why I have to struggle a lot. Yeah, and I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain while speaking English. I get stuck, lack of vocabulary. And as far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time, in front of camera, I would speak continuously. And after recording the video, after recording the video, I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. After that also, I have to find out what kind of mistake I was doing, and after that also, I have to rectify. In this way also, I started my English speaking journey.
Wow, sir, really amazing your journey, and you believe yourself. That's why you achieve. You are right now. You are very fluent because when you believe yourself, so you can turn in impossible into the possible, and
Yes,
belief creates confidence, and confidence leads to work hard, and true beliefs, even the toughest challenges feel easier. So never
yes,
doubt
yes,
your journey and never lose hope. Trust your stance and believe in your dreams, so you can achieve you ever imaged. So you can right now fluent because believe in yourself. That's why you are very
yes, yes.
fluent right now.
Uh, yes, first of all, thank you for giving me good compliment. Actually, I am not a fluent speaker. I am trying to express myself, and I am being able to speak a little bit. That's why also I am happy right now. And ma'am, you have been learning this language around 5 months. And that, ma'am, first of all, please tell me your English speaking journey. I mean, at the beginning time when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, what kind of method did you follow?
Okay. Actually, sir, when I start my journey before 4 months ago, November 2024, so I'm unable to speak. I have a basic grammar knowledge. I have a lot of vocab, but I am not comfortable to speak with any random people, any stranger. I am comfortable only with my kids at my home. So whenever I talk with any good speaker, so I feel very hesitation, and I feel freeze, and I don't know how to speak and how not to speak. But when I create my channel, I study constantly. I make video and upload my video on my channel, and after watching my video, I always try to remove my mistake. And as well as
Yes,
I yes, as well as I joined this application. Skype application has helped me a lot to overcome my hesitation, and nowadays I'm totally comfortable when I talk with any random people. When I took session one, when I joined this application, my heartbeat is very fast. But nowadays
yes,
yes, I know I make many mistakes while speaking, but right now I'm comfortable. I don't feel hesitation. I don't any worried about my mistake. I'm just speaking, and I can see remarkable change in my speaking than earlier. So I'm satisfied of my speaking
yes, yes.
nowadays.
Yes, actually speaking is the most important part. Yeah, always you have to speak regular
Yes,
basis, and always you have to make this kind of video every single day. Consistency is very important. Mistake
yes,
you are
yes.
saying, yeah, you are saying mistake. Mistake is common. Yeah, everyone make mistake, and no one perfect in this world. Yeah, and if you don't make
Yes, yes.
mistake while speaking English, you cannot learn this language. And always you have to think, how did you learn your native language? How did you learn your native language? At that time, you made so many mistakes while speaking your native language. That's why there no don't worry about making mistake. Yeah, mistake is common. Yeah, if you make same mistake every single day, it is not good. It is not good. And after making mistake, always you have to find out what kind of mistake you are doing while speaking English, and after that, always you have to rectify. In this way, also you can learn this language very easily. It is the process, according to me.
You are right, sir, because every mistake sign you practice and practice, and you achieve what you want, and you move your goal, what
Yes,
you
yes.
want in
And
your
then
life. Yes.
you have been and you have a one YouTube channel. And how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
Since when I started my speaking journey, as well as I create my channel, same the time.
Yes, yes.
It's been
And ma'am,
five
you have been
months.
running 5 months, and you have been running a YouTube channel 5 months. You have been learning this language around 5 months. And ma'am, I'd like to ask one question to you. What kind of comments are you getting from your YouTube channel, from your friend circle, from your relatives? What kind of comments are you getting? Are you getting bad comments? Are you getting good comment? What kind of comment are you
So
getting?
I'm getting positive comment. Yes, you are doing great
Yes, yes,
job, and you nowadays you putting your 100% effort. That's why you are able to speaking, and every person to send me positive comments always. I'm very happy.
yes,
It's
yes,
make me feel happy when someone give me any appreciation my effort. So it's make feel me very happy. And I always try to put my 100% effort to learn this language. So I always motivate this kind of positive comments.
yes. Right now also, ma'am, you are doing a good job. There is no chance. There is no chance for getting a bad comments. Yeah, you are doing a good. You are doing a good job.
Thank you. Thank you so
A-
much.
And ma'am, what kind of content do you upload on your YouTube channel?
Actually, sir, when I start my channel in my initially day, I always upload story. When I read any story, I learn that story and try to this story on my word and upload on my channel. But after some time, I uploading conversation video on my channel and shorts content like verb models and tongue twister. This kind of video I upload on my channel.
Yes, yes, it is good. It is good. It is called shadowing practice. You also read some a story, and after that also you speak your own language. It is also good
Yes.
sign for learning the language.
Yes, because in my
And ma'am,
initially day, I'm under the confidence. I'm not comfortable talking with any random people. Then I create my channel. I feel comfortable while speaking storytelling. Then I uploading conversation video.
yes, yes. And ma'am, before also you have told me you have two children, and they right now also they are going to English medium school. And do you speak with them in English at your house?
Yes, I always try to speak with my children at home, and whenever I make many mistake while speaking, they also correct my mistake. Mama, you are speaking wrong sentence, and this is the correct sentence. So they also help me a lot to learn this language. Yes.
Yes, yes. Always you have to speak with your children, because always you have to make a good English environment at your house for your children. Yeah, and if you make this kind of environment at your house, they can learn this language very easily. Environment is very important, because I live in the
Yes.
village area. There is no good in an environment. No one speak English at my house. No one speak English at my locality. That's why also I have to struggle a lot. And if you make a good English environment at your house, they can learn this language very easily. Environment is very important.
Yes, sir, because I always try to create an English environment at my home because before marriage and after marriage I didn't get any environment, and I'm extremely about to learn this language, passionate about this language. So I always try to create an English environment at my home.
Yes, yes. And then few minutes ago, you have told me you also like traveling. And apart from Delhi, have you ever visited any another state in our country?
Yes, sir, I visit many places like Shirdi, Mumbai, and Uttarakhand, Rishikesh, and Agra, Taj Mahal, and Khatu Sham, Rajasthan. These
Yes,
place
yes,
I visit. Yes.
yes. And then you have visited so many places. Right now, also you are speaking English very well. There is no doubt. And before speaking English, when you went there, and at that time, did you face any problem to communicate from their people?
No, sir, because I talk with them in my native language, Hindi. They are yes,
Yes, actually Hindi is spoken all over India, but apart from that southern part, if you go to the southern part of our country, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, at that place, they always speak. I have heard that they always speak their native language, otherwise English. They never speaking Hindi. At that place, you have to face a lot of problem.
yes, sir. Because if you talk about earlier, if I visit other place, so I'm uncomfortable to speak English. But right now, if I have to go any other country, any other place, so now I'm able to convey my thought in front of other. I'm totally comfortable. But I make many mistake. Yeah, understand. But other person other person understand what I am saying. Right now, you are
Yes,
understand what I am saying.
yes, 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 properly. There is no problem. I can understand properly. And ma'am, learning this language after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yes, sir. I'm very happy because I don't believe myself that now I'm able to speak English. I'm very happy.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. We are talking around 20 minutes. You are also speaking English very well. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. And ma'am, thank you for giving valuable time. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
I'm so happy this conversation and I definitely connect with you again. Nice talking with you. Thank you, sir, giving
Yes,
me
yes.
your precious time. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Bye. Take care.